Hello student, today we will do question number 16 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without a further ado, let's get started. We have to find integration of this. So first we will simplify this. E3 log x, we can write this E log x cube into x to the power 4 plus minus 1. This will be 1 cut, so this will be x cube divided by, we can write x4 plus 1. Now we will let x4 plus 1 is equal to t. If we will differentiate both sides, so x four x cube dx is equal to dt. X cube dx is equal to 1 by 4 dt. So now we'll put here. So integration of this will be E3 log x x4 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to integration of x cube x4 plus 1 dx. X cube dx is 1 by 4 dt divided by x4 plus 1 by 4 we will take out 1 by 4 dt divided by here will be t. T, because x to the power 4 1, we have supposed t 1 by 4, this is t. So 1 by 4 integration of this will be log t plus c. Now we will put value of t 1 by 4 log x to the power 4 plus 1 plus c. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.